I've got a small bunch of these things to make at the moment. I think I'm doing about 50. I think I've got an order for 50. I'll do a few extras. Fairly simple thing. 25mm bar. I'm using EN3B. Mild steel, but not the free cutting stuff because it's got to be welded afterwards. But yeah, 25mm OD, which is not being touched. So we're just turning the front, drilling a hole in the middle. But turning it from bar, we've basically got 3 operations: facing it on the front, turning it back, and then parting it off to length. And what I like to do with these sort of jobs is to use a multi-position bed stop, which is here. I'll just wind the carriage back. We've got 5 stations on this. We'll only be using 3 for this particular job, really. It just clicks round into position. I've never taken this apart. Came with the lathe. These are actually numbered on here. Can't say I've ever really paid much attention to that, but each station has got a number on it. And on this job it's going to be there to set the length, there to turn the shoulder back. I will go to there to put a chamfering tool on, which will be just done by eye. That's not set at all. And then the next one to part off. And I've got the tool. I've got a turning tool set in the way at the minute, so let's have a proper demo. I've got the bush from our backstop set in the spindle here, so that is stopping the bar from waggling around. It was sticking out here somewhere, so yeah, you definitely want that to be supported. That's good.